Good morning. Thank you for joining Our Sweet Home Life. I was just wrapping a birthday present for one of our family members, and Mojo says, why don't you put that on YouTube? How to make these bows and about my card. I was making this little card, and it just opens up. It says happy birthday and has a birthday cake on it, and then we'll sign it. And I had also made some little cards like this that I can use at different times. I love sending out cards to people to encourage them. So what I did is I had purchased this stencil from the Dollar Tree, and like you say, it's got happy birthday, wishes, oh happy day, it's got a cake, and it has some candles, so you can kind of choose what you would like to stencil. So on this one, I just stenciled happy birthday. And so all I did was color in, of course, the happy and the birthday using this stencil. And it made this cute little card that Mojo and I can sign. And then on this ribbon, I was just taking it, and I had already just placed two rounds, one in the black and one in the white. And so I was going to just add to this bow by tying these two together, and then just take this ribbon and just tie it in a knot. And then just take this with my scissors, opening my scissors up like that, and grabbing that, just twirling that up. Okay, I'm kind of standing that up. I think I'll put one more white ribbon on that to add to it. Because with this little ribbon, the more the merrier, as they say. So I'm just tying a knot. Really simple and really easy to do. And there again, I'm just going to open my scissors. Lay that flat against it and pull. See how easy that is? And how cute of a bow it makes? Okay, so I appreciate you joining us today with our little cards. And also the front of this, I just purchased a tape that had this on it from the Dollar Tree and just cut it and made a cross out of it. Put one strip down the front and another strip here. And also, with these little cards, I just cut me out a heart and use it for a stencil and drew around it and then painted, and then used another stencil to write the love. So I thought those turned out really cute. I appreciate you joining us today on Our Sweet Home Life. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, I just wanted to show you the finished product. I just tied it on there, punched a hole with a hole puncher, put a piece of that ribbon through it and tied it on to the present. And I thought that really made a pretty presentation. Thank you for watching.